Hello everyone, I'm Simran and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something that I'm really excited for you all to watch. It is everything home decor and interiors. I personally love showing you guys the house tour videos that I've done on my channel before, and this is another one. This is another space that I visited and I really thought that I should show it to you guys. I've talked to you all about Nightingale Creative Design Studio before as well. They do amazing spaces, they do interior designs and everything. And today I am going to be showing you one of the properties that they have designed here as well. So before we actually get into the video, I have Nikita with me today, who is one of the co-founders of Nightingale Creative Design Studio. First of all, welcome to my channel.
Thank you so much.
I am personally a huge fan of the work that both of you, Abhijit and you, do with the company, the designs that you guys create and the places. Like, you just give life to a place.
Thank
and
you so
home.
much.
So before we actually show the place to people, I thought that we should share the vision that you guys have before you start designing the stuff. Like, how do you exactly go about it?
So basically it is all about the client's requirements. So this particular house that we'll be showing to you guys was one of our dream project, because of the reason that the owners of the house had given a complete free hand and we had all the playground to play with our creativity. So that is the main thing, how we go about the different projects as per the requirements of our clients.
That's really nice. So how do you kind of differentiate between different projects? Because I'm sure that everybody wants something new. So how do you get with something new every single time?
So like this particular project, there are 3 families living under the same roof. So we have tried to amalgamate a lot of different moods and designs under the single roof. So we have played with a lot of textures and different kind of designs in different areas of the house. And the most striking thing about this particular house is that it is an amalgamation of contemporary and modern French theme. And one of the most striking element that you would be seeing in the complete house is that whatever intricate detailing we have given in the Italian marble flooring, we have given the same pattern in the ceiling as well.
And I personally loved it. Like, that's something very evident and it gives a very subtle and a beautiful vibe to the entire house. And now I think it's time for you all to see the video as well.
Thank you so much.
That was about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I personally loved the work that these people have done, and if you guys want to check more of Nightingale Creative Design Studio's work, I'm gonna put the Instagram account link in the description box below for you guys to check it. Also, a few of the other videos that I've created, actually the other house tour videos that I've done for them, you can check those videos out. And if you're looking to get any kind of space designed with them, you can definitely contact them, and I'll put down the contact details as well. That was about today's video. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye!